Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how I do my everyday makeup. A lot of people, like when I do their makeup, they say, oh, I don't know how you guys do that every day. And I'm like, we don't do this every day. So this is like my everyday makeup routine. Not like 5 minutes, it's more like 15 minutes. I'm gonna start with a toner. Then I'm gonna add a moisturizer. Then I'm gonna put some coconut oil on my lips. Now I'm gonna do my brows. I love using this, which is a 3-in-1 brow pencil I created. It has the pencil and the inside. You just twist the middle. Oh! Oh! And it has the middle, it has the shadow. Oh my gosh. And then at the end, it has the brow gel. Now I'm going to take my eyeshadow and I'm just gonna create like some dimension. So these two, 1 and 2 right here. So I'm starting with the lighter color. I'm just putting it all over. And then I'm going to go in with the darker one and put it right at the end. Then I'm going to go in with a blending brush as soon as I find it. Boop. Then I really forgot. I usually do this before eyeshadow, but it's okay. I'm using Conceal It by She Cosmetics. I'm just going to outline the edge of my brows. Yeah. Okay, so once you've done that, you're gonna take your foundation. I love using my foundation sticks because it's really like not messy and it's quick. So I'm gonna go in with golden beige and put it all over my face. Look how well that matches. A lot of people use their concealer to sculpt the top of their brows, but if you notice in pictures, you get flashbacks. So I don't like the highlighted look on top of my brows, only underneath where my shadow is. So I go in with a foundation similar to my color, and I just sculpt out the top of my brows with that. And I blend around my brows. To get rid of those sharp lines. Because again, I like my brows to look kind of natural. If you want, this step is not necessary, but if you want, you could go in and put concealer right under your eye for a little highlight. So this is not, I wouldn't say this is, I'm doing everyday wear, but I'm doing like, I'm going to dinner, or I got a meeting, a presentation at work today. This is like, you know, I'm doing a little extra for y'all. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my darkest foundation, and I'm using Rich Bronze, and that's what I'm gonna use to contour. So I'm just gonna put it here, 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 and I'm gonna put it here. Now, how I did my nose is like all messed up, but it's okay because I'll be able to blend it out. So we blended out the contour on this very large forehead, but that's okay because during the Renaissance, women used to shave off their eyebrows to give the illusion that they had a bigger forehead, and that's because they wanted to appear more intelligent. So my big forehead just means I'm intelligent. Now I'm going to take my loose powder, and this is by She Cosmetics. I have various tints, so I am using number 2 to set mine with. So I'm just setting underneath my eye and my nose. I don't like to do under here too much. I don't feel like that's necessary. And I'm gonna go in, set my contour. Ooh. I'm just setting the rest of my face. Okay, now I'm going to go in with an eyeliner. This is a creamy eyeliner. And I'm going to hit up my bottom lash line. Okay, so for the lips today, I am using two liquid matte lipsticks. This one is called Mulberry, and this one is called Sexy, right? Right? We're gonna just blend it. And rub them together. Whatever, that's not. Okay, cool. Now we just take our finishing spray, and what finishing spray does is really just make the skin look like skin again. It wets that powder and it makes it less powdery looking. So you can either just let it dry like that, or you can take a beauty blender and just pat it in. Now, if you do want to add lashes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add lashes, but I'm gonna add these very quick lashes. They're magnetic, so pretty much all you have to do is put on the magnetic eyeliner, and then you just stick the lashes on. That's crazy. It really just stuck on there. Tell me what you think.